Here is Ali boy. He's about to have his first ever Weet-Bix. What do you think about that? Yeah, looking forward to it. Okay, here we go. See if we can manage this. Well, let's look at the bowl. There we go. Two Weet-Bix at the ready for this little boy. And here it comes. Whoa. Trying to angle the camera. Is that good, buddy boy? It's good? That's good, Tucker. What do you think about those Weet-Bix? Yeah? Good? Good? Okay, let's dig in. Let's demolish this bowl. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.